Hi everyone, this is Neeti and this is Odd Stories YouTube channel. Well, this time I wanted to do something different because I get tired of putting content out on podcasting all the time because that's what I do on Instagram, on YouTube, on LinkedIn, everywhere. So I just wanted to take a short break and I wanted to let you guys know what I do apart from podcasting, how I rejuvenate myself. Also, there's another thing I wanted to put out through my channel, that is, it is okay to take a break. I wanted to normalize this concept of taking a break from your work, taking a break and rejuvenating yourself, doing something else so that you're able to reboot your brain and then you come back with some fresh, interesting ideas. So guys, it's okay if you're a YouTuber or a podcaster or someone who's on Instagram putting content out on Instagram to take a break and to let people know what you do apart from your work, say a BTS kind of a thing, or how you chill or how you enjoy your life beyond your work profile. So I wanted to do something similar. So this time what I thought, I'll tell you how I chill over the weekend. So I've started with my Saturday night and I've also shown you guys on what I did last Sunday. It was a short picnic planned with my friends at a nearby location near Bombay. So I just wanted to let you guys know what all I did over the weekend. So what are you guys waiting for? Let's get started. My weekend has already started. It is so much fun going to a friend's place. Right now I'm in the lift. They have a beautiful house. We're planning to stay over and then tomorrow morning we're going for a trek. We've reached and catching up after so long and having so much fun, and here are some clips of what all we did. Let us find Sirjan. There is Sirjan. Say hi.
Hi.
How are you?
Fine.
What are you doing?
I want to play on my scooty.
So the dinner was served at a friend's place, and in order to help her out, I made this cheese platter and I was so happy about the outcome that I kept on boasting about it, and that's why this weird video was as well. After a superb evening, we're starting our day today. So the plan is to go to a friend's property in Khalapur. And we've started. This is the current situation of traffic, even right now when we're in a lockdown. And we've already started with our trip. Lot of stuff to eat. And then mostly we should be there within an hour. It's a very short trek, but hopefully it'll be fun. And the weather is absolutely beautiful today. This road trip is a treat for 90s kids. The songs in the background are all 90s. And that's our destination for the day.
मारुती राया, कसे आहेत तुम्ही? नमस्कार. आलो आलो.
That's the property. Here we are, it's raining and it's beautiful and green. Yeah. What happened? Sirjan, come here. Where are you going? No, come here. Later, come here. Hi.
Hello. Finally reached.
Yes, we did it.
There's a dog. We can even play badminton here. There's so much space. Oh my god, the rain's getting faster. Yeah, when the rain stops, we can play badminton. Yes, we will. Get wet.
I would like to record your conversation. Please continue.
Alright, so right now we're in Khalapur and those are like, I don't know, that's a rooster literally. I think that's a shed. There's a rooster too.
Where is it? I can't
Is
spot
that a
it.
snake hole or a rabbit hole?
I can't spot it though. But you guys can continue.
Oh, there's a dog.
Continue the conversation.
Alright, so now it's like raining too bad and I'm
What is this, guys? Guess.
Snake holes.
No.
These are snake
Yes.
holes.
No,
Snake holes.
Rabbit holes.
Tent holes ये लोग
A rabbit will not never fit in that.
No, I don't
The
think.
crab holes. Find crabs.
Show me the place around. Okay, come.
Alright, so this is my first time in Khalapur.
Oh, this is not our first time though. Chai. Hello.
Okay. So on the way we had McDonald's and that was like really fun. So I had the meal and she had mac chicken and then we listened to some
Closer.
songs. And these are all the rooms.
Awesome. Sijan, you want to say something?
You have to do one more thing for me.
Yeah,
Okay.
tell me.
For her page also you have to record something. Ask her to say.
What?
Whoa, whoa,
Say
whoa,
something,
whoa,
whatever.
whoa, what? We've got only for one evening.
Mariah Elizabeth. So yes, so this is like a huge grass. It's like a perfect picnic spot. Can you see the roosters over there?
Where are the roosters? Why can't I see them?
Oh, they're eating. Look at that. Can you see?
So we've reached. We're just chilling here, having some fun, getting ourselves clicked, and shooting some reels for our Instagram. Hi. Sijan, hi.
Hi. This is a lovely one. Trees only.
That's our trek towards the river. क्या मांग रही हूँ मैं स्वप्निल? Footage. One day I'll be a big star. Then you'll come for my autograph. It's a beautiful trail towards a beautiful, nice river, which should be full because it's monsoons in Mumbai and Maharashtra overall. Can you hear the birds chirping? So the initial plan was actually to go for a trek, but then we changed the plan and instead we thought it'll be interesting if we go towards the river. So now we are taking a short trail towards the river. Let's see how this nature walk goes. Such lush green fields. Beautiful place. We found the river!
Oh my god! Wow! Let's go!
Oh my god, I'm totally going.
I'm adventurous, but I'm not that crazy. Swapnil, careful.
स्वप्निल ने तो कमांडो पैंट्स भी पहने हुए हैं। बेटा तू तो आगे तक जाएगा। थोड़े मजे ले रहे।
It's so much fun, यार. सच में मजा बड़ा है. हाँ. Careful.
जवानो, आगे बढ़ो। कमांडो जंप जोश।
So we found this ropeway near the riverside, and it's a very old ropeway. I think it was used by the villagers earlier, but now it is abandoned. And one of the friends decided we'll just try and see how it works, and he just climbed the ropeway and tried to cross the river, but the ropeway was very, very loose, so he couldn't do it. But even I thought it was fun, so even I tried to do that. It was genuinely super fun, slightly scary. In the water. Help, can you help? This is so much fun, yeah. We spent our last 1 hour in this beautiful location in the river. And we're done. We're done. We had so much fun. Now it's time to go back.
Lots of fun.
Time to go back. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. It's time for me to go. But before that, I must tell you, we're still in the pandemic, right? So these short breaks help you re-energize and come back with some awesome content. That's exactly what I'm going to do next week. But for the time being, there were a lot of songs which were being played during my car ride, right? There were a lot of interesting songs which were playing. If you could guess the maximum number of songs which were being played in the car ride, then I'll give you a shout out on my Instagram account as well as on my YouTube. So let me see if you can guess all the songs. And for now, bye bye and keep guessing. For that, watch the video till the end, subscribe to my channel and do press the bell icon. Bye bye.